shift, pivot, shift, pivot, shift, pivot, shift, pivot, shift.
Hi, how's your business doing? At the Shift Group, we believe you've got to work on your business, not just in your business.
Gotta shift, y'all. Shift and pivot. Whatever you do to grow your business.
When the pandemic hit, we got together and figured out a new way for people to work on their business, doing it virtually on Zoom. Once a week for 90 minutes over the course of a month, and people made great progress. With working with us, you'll reimagine where you want to go and why, what obstacles are in your way and how to get around them, who you need to learn from, what's happening in your market, and what you need to change to hit that spot exactly, who you need help from, and how you're going to get it done. All in 4 short weeks on Zoom from the comfort of your home and in the company of other business owners who are going to listen to you and whose ideas will help you build a greater idea than just your own idea. We will coach you. That's all the magic. And thanks to Citizens Bank, it's all for free for you. Shift and pivot to a brand new world. Click that link below and find out more. You'll be glad you did. And we'll see you in October. Shift and pivot to a brand new world. Thank you.
Gotta shift, y'all. Shift and pivot. Whatever you do to grow your business.